Today we're replacing the ignition coils in my 818, which use the 2007 Subaru WRX engine. Since the engine is a flat 4, the ignition coils are located on the sides, so you have 2 on the driver's side. And if you walk around to the passenger side, there are 2 more. I'm replacing these because my car was shaking under full throttle and eventually threw a check engine light that said misfire on cylinder 3. My car also had a strong gas smell to it, so I think some of it wasn't being burned. I picked up new ignition coils from fastwrx.com for $90 a piece. I'll leave a link to all the parts I'm using below. 2 of my wire connectors were broken, but luckily FastWRX sells replacements for $15 each. Each replacement kit comes with new weather seals, new wire connectors, a new retaining clip, and a new plug. When I got my engine, the previous owner had zip tied the connectors on because they were both broken. But we're going to take care of that today. After removing the connectors, we can now undo the 1 bolt holding each ignition coil in. Now we can start replacing the connectors by removing the retaining clip on the front of the plug. And take note of the wire order before removing the wires. Using a small screwdriver, you can unlock the wires and pull them out the back. My wires are in good condition, so I'm not going to replace the ends or the seals that go around them. I'm just going to push them back into the new plug. You can see the wires are pushed all the way in on the new connector. So now we can put the new retaining clip in to lock everything down. And confirm the order of the wires. And we're going to do all this again on the black connector, which is in even worse shape. Remove the retaining clip. Check the wire order. Unlock the wires with a small screwdriver and pull them out the back of the plug. Insert the wires into the new plug. And install the new wire retainer. Now it's time to put the new ignition coils in the car. I'm laying underneath the engine, so I can't really see into the hole, so it takes a few tries to get it seated over the spark plug, but it'll eventually go on. Go ahead and hand tighten the bolt to hold the ignition coil in. It's time to torque down the bolts to 12 pound-feet as my manual calls for. Push the connectors onto the ignition coils until they click, and that's it for the passenger side. The driver's side is the same process, but it went a little faster since I'm not replacing the connectors. I'll push these connectors on and then take the car for a test drive and see if my problem's solved. My 818 is pulling strong again, so this is definitely the issue I was looking for. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos.